What's up guys, how are you? Welcome to my channel. You are watching Bhavan Engineers Builds. Today we are going to make a tank. Let's make 16 dot blocks. Then put them upside down. Put them upside down. Then take black color 4 dot block and put them here at the set of 3 3. 3 it is made. No. Then take 6 dot blocks and fix both second side. Then take 20 dot blocks and fix it here. Now watch here. Take more to 20 dot blocks and fix it here. Then take a yellow color 4 dot block and here. Now take 2 red dot block guys. 2 red color 8 dot blocks and fix it here. Then take 2 take a 16 dot block and fix it here, and take more 2 8 dot blocks and fix it here. Now take 2 6 dot blocks and fix it here. Then take 2 dot blocks and fix it here. Now take 2 16 dot block and fix on it here and fix on it here. Now guys, take more 2 6 dot blocks and fix this here, and take a flat one and fix on it here. Then take marbles. Take 6 marbles and put it here. This will be the gate of the tank. Now we will join it here. Then the man will go inside and fire. So our tank is completed. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you.